Trapezoidal cold roll forming machines find applications in numerous industries, such as construction. They are used for manufacturing trapezoidal roof panels and wall cladding materials. Manufacturing. Trapezoidal profiles are used in the fabrication of diverse products, including storage systems, agricultural equipment, and industrial machinery. Trapezoidal cold roll forming machines are indispensable tools in industries that require precision metal shaping. Their ability to consistently produce accurate profiles at high speeds contributes to the efficiency and quality of various manufacturing processes. Professionals across different sectors rely on these machines to meet demanding project requirements, underscoring their vital role in modern industrial applications.